Welcome back. You're watching All Together Sing Season 18, and we've reached the end of our reggae and dance hall night. But if you missed any of tonight's performances, don't worry, you should re-watch them. So here's a quick recap of all 7 amazing acts.
You seen no choirs before, but you never seen a choir like this. You seen no choirs before, but I don't want you come top the list. Alright, real bad man, no wear people pants. We take dancing to a higher rank. We spend pound and we spend franc. Jah never knew that Jamaica and France. On the river, on the bank. You got the sugar and your food then no cramp. All them there, where them they need it. All them there, where them they need it. All them there, where them they need it. Come and shut up them all and let's get it. You ready? Yeah, we ready. You ready? Oh, so when never send Jah will never die. Out and bad, so badly bad, yes, intensifies. It's what you like, or things I know not about. They are coming to lock I down. I tell I owe them suspicion. Just see them a come. But I and I a conqueror. Just see them a come. Yeah, but them all on a conqueror. Rising to the top, whether rain or shine. Come on everybody, this is things in the side. And we never do it, we have a put up a fight.
What was that?
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Oh, yeah.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Everybody.
Turn it up. Yeah. Yes. With the bumps there. Every night school and every church day. I swear that it was there. Press gas on the phone with us there. Dance up, forever and ever. Dance up, my God, them no bad like we. One MC just a dance and it. My God, them no bad like we. Certain school can't dress like we.
For them shoes can't clean like we.
Bamba.
TVJ for a high like we.
Bamba.
Certain school can't eat like we.